Today's Sunday, April 3rd. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set. This is the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado 7-port manifold air conditioning power servo vacuum actuator unit. This is a complete restoration for my friend Mike in Ohio. And I'm going to be doing a functional validation test under vacuum with a hand pump, applying 7 pounds of vacuum to the unit. And we'll be looking for the tail to actuate. And as the tail actuates by being drawn in from the vacuum activator, it is attached to the baffle distribution box at this tail location with a retaining clip, which opens and closes the doors in order to redirect air at the appropriate locations inside the salon of the vehicle, be it the floor, the bi-level, or the defrost. Similarly, we have 7 portals, each going and providing a different function, again for air conditioning, heating, defrost, as well as activating a low, medium, and high to the master switch and to the blower. And of course, receiving vacuum from the in-dash climate controller and propagating vacuum down to the heater valve into the vacuum master switch and other locations. Okay, so that's what the 7-port variant is for the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado, unlike the 4-port variant, which is for the Cadillac DeVille. This is Eldorado specific. So I'll go ahead and apply vacuum. And we can see how the activator draws in, and we're going to take it up to 7 pounds of vacuum. And we're holding steady on the dial, meaning we have good vacuum integrity with the diaphragm that has been replaced inside the vacuum activator. Okay, and the tail has moved to the corresponding location, which again, when connected to the baffle distribution box, redirects air to various locations inside the salon. Now I'll go ahead and release the vacuum to atmosphere, and we'll be looking for the tail to normalize. Okay, so this is the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado specific air conditioning vacuum power servo. This will be going to my friend Mike as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. Today is April 3rd. I have over 75,000 original vintage items for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Sunday, April 3rd. Thank you very kindly.